Yesterday I had the amazing opportunity to go hands-on with the Honor View 20, and I have to say it's a beautiful telephone. They also showed when we came in, they showed the FlyPod, the new versions, which I like very much because they're like a more unique design. The smartwatch Magic, which is very beautiful. I'm not that much into smartwatches, but I have to say it looked very promising. The phones themselves, of course, the Honor View 20, when you're looking at the design, there's really nothing that you can compare it to because the back with the beautiful V shape, it really stands out. It comes in multiple colors and it's more subtle on the black one. It is very noticeable on the blue and the red ones. If we're looking at the specs, we're looking at the Kirin 980, the world's first 7nm chipset. It has GPU Turbo 2.0, which is very interesting for gamers. It runs on Magic OS, which is based on Android Pie, and Magic OS looks very similar to Huawei's EMUI because it's also based on that. But I like the gestures of Huawei, so it's nice to see them coming here on the Honor View 20. It's a dual SIM phone with a dual SIM standby, which means you can put either 2 nano SIM cards in or 1 nano SIM card and a micro SD card. It has a 4000 mAh battery with supercharge, which means in 30 minutes you can charge up to 56%. And maybe interesting for the gamers, Honor has the special deal with Fortnite, which means you can get a guard outfit specially from Honor when you're playing Fortnite on the View 20. It's a 6.4 IPS LCD all-view display, and it has the hole punch, which means on the upper side of the corner of the screen there is a little punch hole for the camera. It has a front camera of 25 megapixel with the f2.0 aperture. On the back is the 48 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. Of course, I've tried it out a little bit there and shutter speed was really fast. The camera makes use of TOF, which stands for Time of Flight 3D Depth Sensing camera. It's trying to get the best settings for your camera to get the best shot of what you're going to take a photo of. What I also like about Honor is that they are really experimenting with what they can do with the camera. For example, you have the 3D gaming, so you can hook your phone up to a display and use it as a display for your game, which means it then tracks your skeletal and you can use it to play snowboarding or something. In real life, I tested it out. It didn't really follow my exact movements, but I like the fact that they're trying those things out. And also a thing is the AI calorie counter, which means if you aim your camera at a piece of food, it will tell you how many calories that is. If we're just looking at the phone, on the bottom we have the USB-C port and of course the speaker grill. Then on the side we have the on-off and the volume rocker. On the top is the 3.5mm jack. Yes, there's a headphone and also an infrared port, so you can use this as a remote. And on the left is only the SIM tray. It will come in 4 colors. 2 of those are standard. It's the Midnight Black and the Sapphire Blue. And they come in 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. And you can upgrade them, of course. And there's also the special editions, which are in combination with Moschino, which is an Italian brand. And that's the Phantom Red and the Phantom Blue. Well, the Phantom Red I've shown you, and the Phantom Blue wasn't there, so unfortunately I couldn't show it. And those 2 special editions come with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. They are for sale, so you can order them straight away. And I am wondering, is this the phone for you? If yes, why and which color? And if no, why not? And what kind of phone do you want to use? Let me know in the comments down below. If you find this video helpful and interesting, please click that thumbs up and subscribe for more content to come. And thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and I will see you soon.